If you have Intel's display power saving technology enabled on your system, here's how to resolve issues with the screen brightness constantly changing. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Intel Graphics Settings from the menu. An Intel Graphics Control Panel window will appear with a few choices. Click on the Power option. Next, set the power source to battery, and for the power plan, select the maximum performance. If you see the Display Power Saving Technology option, then select Disable and click on OK. If you do not see a Display Power Saving Technology option, then you will need to edit this in Power Options. Right-click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and select Power Options. Click on Additional Power Settings, then click on Change Plan Settings. Next, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Settings pop-up window, click on the plus sign next to Display, and then click on the plus sign next to Enable Adaptive Brightness and change all the options to Off. Doing these steps should take care of the screen brightness constantly changing that you are experiencing. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.